Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this amazing brown eye makeup look. So if you're interested in learning this look, just keep on watching this video. So without any further ado, let's begin. First I'm applying toner and then moisturizer to prep my skin first. Then I'm going to conceal my eyes and then I'm going to blend it with the help of a beauty blender. Take that dark brown shade and apply in half of your lids, and after that blend it with the help of a same brush, and then blend it with the help of a orange color with the help of a pencil brush. Take that golden shade and apply in 1/3 part of your eyes with the help of a flat brush. After that apply a wing liner with the help of a liquid liner. Moving on to face, first I'm applying aloe vera gel as primer. Apply foundation and blend it with the help of a beauty blender. Apply concealer under your eyes and where there is need to highlight your face. Apply contour to sculpt your face. Set all together with the help of a loose powder. I'm gonna take one of the shade and apply it as a blush on my cheeks and then highlighter. Lift my lashes, I'm going to apply mascara. Now I'm going to apply red lipstick and set all together with the help of a setting spray. And here I am done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss my any video. Till then, keep safe and keep happy.